A lot of you guys have been struggling with OpenClaw installation from my old video because it's not working anymore. That's not on you, and honestly, it's not on me either. It's because OpenClaw itself pushed a new update that changed how things are set up. But don't worry, I'm here now with a full updated guide to get you up and running, so let's get straight into it. Before we do anything, make sure you have Docker Desktop and Git Bash installed on your Windows machine. Open Google and search for Docker install. Go to the official Docker website and download Docker Desktop for Windows. Then do the same for Git Bash. If you are not sure how to install Docker, I actually walked through the whole process in my first OpenClaw video. So go watch that part first and then come back here. Open Git Bash on your Windows desktop. We are going to clone the OpenClaw project directly to our desktop using this command. I will drop all commands in the first comment so you don't have to pause and rewind. Once the cloning finishes, you will see a new folder on your desktop called OpenClaw. Now in Git Bash, cd into that folder. Next, run this built-in docker-setup command and just wait for it to finish. This is doing the heavy lifting for you. Once it finishes, it will launch the OpenClaw onboarding wizard. Choose Yes, then Quick Start. For the AI provider, I'm going to choose OpenRouter. It will ask for your OpenRouter API key, so give it that. Then it asks which model you want to use. I'm going with Gemini 2.5 Flashlight. After that, skip, no for skills, and skip the hooks too. Now it's gonna take a moment. Once it's done, scroll up in the terminal and you will see a URL with a token. Copy that entire URL and paste it into your browser. If it doesn't load right away, don't panic. This is completely normal. OpenClaw needs a minute to fully spin up. Check Docker and you will see the container and image are already running. So give it about a minute, then refresh the browser. There you go. But you will notice it says pairing required. We will fix that in just a second. Now this is where we make everything much easier to manage. We are going to install a tool called clawdock. It's gonna handle our OpenClaw Docker setup without the headaches. In Git Bash, run the installation command for clawdock. Then run the second command to make it accessible in your current session. Then run the third command to make it permanently available every time you open Git Bash. Let's test it. Run clawdock-help. And as you can see, it is working. Now run clawdock-start. And you might see an error saying your OpenClaw folder is not in the expected path. The tool expects our OpenClaw folder to be in your C drive, under users, then your username. So you can just move it over there, or you can run this command and give it the location of your OpenClaw folder. Remove the colon from the drive letter and replace every backslash with a forward slash. Then run clawdock-start again. Now it works. Now I'm gonna run clawdock-fix-token. This configures your gateway authentication token. You might notice your OpenClaw control panel now shows a token mismatch and offline status. I actually did this on purpose to show you exactly how to fix that if this happens to you. Run clawdock-dashboard. This gives you the dashboard URL with the current correct token. Paste it into your browser and that error disappears. Now as you can see, it says pairing required. That means this connection is not authorized yet. To fix that, run clawdock-devices. And it will list all the devices IDs that are trying to connect. Copy the request ID, then run clawdock-approve and paste the ID right after. Your device is now authorized. Go back to your browser, refresh, and you are in. Let's test it by a hello message in the chat. And there we go, fully working. But I noticed a problem. Every time you close Git Bash and reopen it, the tool forgets where your OpenClaw folder is. This is annoying, so here is a fix. Go to your C drive, then users, then your username folder, and find the folder that is called .clawdock. Create a new file inside it and name it config with no extension. Open it with any text editor and add this one line and make it equal to your OpenClaw project path. Use forward slashes and write the drive letter without a colon. Save it, reopen Git Bash. As you can see, it's working perfectly with no problem at all. So that's it for today. If this fixed your issue, drop a comment below because it really helps the channel, and make sure you are subscribed so you can catch the next one. See you there.